In this video, we'll walk you through adding a new feature to your feature layer using the right workflow while switching from an NFC reader to a TSL Bluetooth reader. Let's get started. First, open Survey123 and navigate to the feature layer where you want to add your feature. At the bottom of the screen, tap Collect to open the form for the new feature. Now, fill out the form with the necessary details. Once you've completed the form, scroll to the InfraMarker right section. Here you'll see the option to start using the built-in NFC reader. Since we want to switch to a Bluetooth reader, tap Change Reader at the bottom. Turn off NFC and select External Reader. This is the Bluetooth reader we've already connected. Select this reader. You'll now see the reader's brand, serial number, and battery level displayed at the bottom. Press OK to confirm. Now point the Bluetooth reader towards the feature and pull the trigger. You'll see confirmation that the data was successfully added to the form and written to the RFID tag. The InfraMarker ID is now displayed. Scroll back up to the InfraMarker ID field and ensure it matches the ID displayed in the right section. Once verified, press the check mark in the bottom right-hand corner, then select Send Now. And that's it. You've successfully added a feature to your feature layer using a Bluetooth reader.